All right, so now you can greet people, say goodbye, agree, disagree, and even apologize in Brazilian Portuguese. But wait, what if you actually want to meet someone new and start a conversation? Well, today you're going to learn how to do introductions, or in Portuguese, apresentações. Let's get started. First things first, how do you ask someone's name? Easy, just say, Qual é seu nome, which is, what's your name? Simple, right? You're already starting a conversation. Now, what if you want to introduce yourself? You've got two super common options. You can say, Eu sou Daniel, which is, I'm Daniel, or you can say, Meu nome é Daniel, which is, my name is Daniel. Both are perfect, just pick your favorite one. Now let's say you're with a friend and you want to introduce them to someone else. Here's what you say. For a woman, Esta é Ana, which is, this is Anna. And for a man, Este é Lucas, which is, this is Lucas. Boom, you're connecting people now. So, how do people usually respond when they meet someone? They might say Oi, which is hi, or a bit more formal, Olá, which is hello. And of course, the classic, Prazer, which is nice to meet you. Want to sound extra friendly? Just say Muito prazer, which is very nice to meet you. See, now you can start conversations, introduce yourself, and even introduce others, all in Brazilian Portuguese. Go ahead, practice saying Qual é seu nome or Muito prazer. Before you go, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big like. Because next time you meet someone who speaks Portuguese, you won't panic, you'll introduce yourself like a pro. Agora é com você. Se inscreve no canal, deixa o seu like e vem aprender comigo, rápido antes que eu comece a perguntar qual é seu nome para todo mundo.